See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, premium sound system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, dual zone AC, power driver seat, alarm, aluminum wheels. This vehicle is waiting for you at the intersection of comfort and style. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.